Hi guys, today we will learn how we can upload a backup which is in our laptop or PC to our WordPress website, to a new WordPress website. So let me show you how the website looks currently. I'll blur the address bar because this is one of my client's website. So this is the website using the Hello theme. So let's go to the dashboard. First we'll go to plugins, click on add new. We will be doing it using all-in-one WP migration plugin, because we have taken the backup from that plugin in the previous video. So we'll click on upload plugin. We'll choose the file. We can install the new plugin, but it usually a lot of times it have an issue and it doesn't complete the backup and it stucks. There's some bugs, so we will use an older version, and I'll give the link in the description below to download the plugin. So I'll click on choose file. Here's the plugin, all-in-one WP migration 6.7 version. Click the zip file and open it. Yeah, here it is. Install it. Now install successfully. Click on activate plugin. Now hover it and go to import. Click on import. Yeah, here we have maximum upload file size is 512 MB. In next videos, I'll be showing you how you can increase this file size without having to download the paid extension of it. So click on import from, click on file, and here we have the backup file, which is a WordPress file of 411 MB. So we'll click on it and open it. Now the backup will start to import. When it will be completed, I'll show you the next part. So guys, after around 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes, the backup is completed, and now it is loading. Here it will say that the import process will overwrite your website, including database, media, plugins, and themes. You have to click on now proceed. Click on proceed. Due to slow internet connection, it might have taken approximately 35 to 40 minutes. Click on close to import the website. So let's now click check the website from here. See what we got. And yeah, we've got the website here. The same website as we had imported. Click on shop. We had 80 products in that website, and all of the products and everything, each and everything is same here. So that's it. This is how you can simply get your website, upload it on a new domain or any domain you wish uh, as the backup you have downloaded. Let me know if you need any other videos like this, and if you are facing any issues in this, let me know in the comments below, and do like and subscribe my channel so that I can know that it helped you, and I'll be making more videos like this. Have a great day. Bye bye.